What is going on this morning? Welcome back to another video. It is opening day of turkey season 2019. I'm pretty excited other than the weather. It's probably the worst weather I've ever seen in my life for opening day. It's kind of rainy, like 20 mile per hour winds, 49 degrees for this time of year. That's not the greatest weather. It's been hot the last 2 weeks, and then this morning it's bad, but it's gonna get better in the next couple days. I know where several birds are roosted at, so I'm gonna set up several hundred yards away probably from them. They'll probably be gobbling on roost, and that's about it. The sun's just starting to come up. I got a pretty good little walk before I get there, get all my stuff together, and probably start walking and get set up. Hopefully the weather doesn't affect them too terribly bad. Still gonna get out there and try, and we're just gonna have to see what happens. Oh my God. I can't believe that just happened. I can't believe I didn't get that. Whew. So, I'm sitting here, right? These birds are gobbling way over there. They're not headed to me, not doing anything, right? So all my cameras are off. I'm just sitting here, calling a little bit, and I'm sitting here looking this direction, and I catch something out of the corner of my eye, and I hear something. And 5 yards away from me is a coyote running. And I reach over and try to grab the camera and turn it on, and all of a sudden he just attacks my decoy and tries to eat it. And the wind's blowing right at my decoy, so I know as soon as he gets there, he's gonna bolt, and I'm not gonna let him get away, you know what I'm saying? He's trying to, I'll show you the decoys here in a second. He knocked it off the stake. Look at that decoy right there. You can see the stake right behind that. That's a hen that's laying down. And you see the stake. I had that decoy up on that stake. The coyote's right there. Dang it, I wish I could have got that on camera. Okay, look at this. See, he knocked that decoy off its stake. First coyote with a shotgun. What's up, you guys? It is officially opening morning. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in some layers. 55 degrees outside, but I don't think the cold front's really blown in yet. I think it's supposed to hit about 8 o'clock. It is windy, but hopefully the birds are still gonna be fired up, and I'll be pretty close to them on roost this morning. I got my buddy Chance from Arkansas down hunting. They ain't got many birds in Arkansas. He comes down every year at the first week of the season, so he's here, and hopefully we can get on some birds. We went and put some birds to bed last night, probably 4 or 5 on the field we're gonna be at this morning. Should be good. I'm excited. Chance is excited.
Yep, the day's finally here.
Yeah, we've been waiting for this for, I don't know, a long time. Seems like since last year when it ended. So anyways, we're gonna head to town and go meet up with one of our other buddies and go hunt.
Okay, so this morning went a whole lot better than I was expecting. I actually took 2 of my good friends out hunting, and here's the first bird come in. Good 2-year-old, about a 10-inch beard or so. Good turkey. That was all chance got him. And then I called in these 2 younger birds, little jakes, but I don't know, they wanted to take them out, so they did. That was a lot of fun. We had a dang pig at our feeder all morning, and we look up and I heard this bird behind us, and I knew he was gonna come in, and I seen that pig look up, and here he come. He come in quick, right off roost, and we were able to put him down, and then we called in these 2 other birds, but that was a lot of fun. Okay, so just got back to my house. We're about to clean up the birds. We ended up not getting on anything else. The wind is absolutely awful today, so we're gonna kind of sit back for a while and just rest up for this evening, and tomorrow morning it's supposed to be pretty good too. Not supposed to be as windy, and it's just gonna be cold, but it was cold this morning and really windy, and the birds were fired up. So anyways, gonna get these turkeys clean. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, catch you on the next one.